Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, if you live south of Lake Sakakawea, for the most part, you missed out on the really bad weather last night because it was mainly in the north and in southern Canada. Let me show you some of the rain totals around the National Weather Service website. And obviously, there are many, many, many more reports. These are just some of them that just kind of jumped out at me. 6 miles southwest of Sawyer, nearly 3 inches of rain. 1 mile south of Minot, 2 inches of rain. Velva, 1.35. And check out these hail reports. This is 3-inch hail. It's called, that's what we say about it. We call them teacups. Teacup size hail, baseball size hail, egg size hail, and golf ball size hail. And there were numerous reports of baseball size hail and egg and golf ball size hail throughout the evening, mainly in the north. Now here's a look at the radar, and a little bit of rain, and even it's kind of getting things wet in the northeastern part of Montana and northwestern North Dakota. And you can see south of Crosby some moderate rain showers there. I have the lightning turned on, a little bit of lightning just to the southwest of Sydney, but other than that, they're just rain showers. In Bismarck, 80 degrees, the dew point's at 53, and it's a very nice afternoon, a little bit warm. In Minot, the temperature right now is at 75 degrees, winds out of the west-northwest at 9. In Williston, notice the wet streets there, so there's that rain. Even cut down on the visibility a little bit in Williston. The temperature is 64 degrees, the dew point's at 51. And in Dickinson, 73 degrees, and the dew point's at 45. So here are some of the other temperatures around the rest of the area. Much warmer in the south central and off to the east, around 80 degrees. But we have some rain-cooled air in the northwest with temperatures in the 60s. The wind today has been roughly 10 to 20 mile an hour most locations. However, the wind gusts were a little bit stronger than that. Right now, the sustained winds are roughly 10 miles an hour or so. The dew points yesterday were in the 60s. Today they're in the 40s and low to mid 50s, so it's much more comfortable. Now the future radar is continuing to show some really light rain tonight, and it's during the overnight hours. This is going to be very, very light rain. We're not expecting any big storms, anything like that. And even 11 o'clock tonight, probably just showers, maybe a small little thunder shower from place to place, but not big weather. Now tomorrow, and I'm going to change forecast models here, early in the morning, we'll see that there still could be some early rain showers tonight into tomorrow morning, and here we are starting around 7 o'clock. There we are looking at some rain showers, and northwestern part of the state, according to this model, has the best odds for some rain during the day tomorrow, and lesser chances to the north and to the east. And then tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, there may be a little bit of rain that goes through the south central. Then once we get into Sunday, now it looks like the better chance of rain and storms will be in the southern part of the state on Sunday. So forecast temperatures are going to be rather cool tomorrow, especially when you compare it to what we had yesterday. 60s and 70s by 4 o'clock. It might warm up a little bit more after that. Here's a look at the next 7 days. And you can see that we have some mild temperatures that will start warming up next week. For Bismarck and Dickinson, it looks like we have pretty decent chance of rain over the weekend and numerous chances of showers and storms next week. At this point, I don't see any big outbreaks of severe weather. I have to show you this photo here, Lauren. Last night, Galen Ness took this photo. This was last night in Minot during the KX News at 10. That's how light it was outside. In part because of that lightning. That's incredible. From the lightning.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Don't go anywhere. Sports is next.